So I just picked up the Stoke Joulle Electric kettle pot. I figured since I've been running Jackery and solar panels in my Gladiator now, that I'd do more electric and less propane. So let's see how fast it can boil 16 ounces of water. I'm at 100% on both batteries. So we'll see how much power it uses and how long it takes. Sixteen ounces goes right up to the line. Gotta turn it on. There we go. So we got it on drink. Zoom in so you can see it. It's already starting to bubble. We'll put the cap on it. Give it a minute, we'll double check. You can see we're using about 478 watts. It's advertised to use 5, so we're right there. For about a minute.
More.
So we're about 2 minutes. Looks like it dropped to 99%. Oh yeah. It's warm, but I can still touch it. So that's about 3 minutes. We got some steam. All right, it's starting to bubble. Can you hear the bubbles? If I was making coffee, I might stop there.
about 5 minutes. It's almost boiling. Yeah, if I was making coffee, I definitely would stop there. I think I could probably throw some noodles in there and start cooking up some ramen after 5 minutes. And that's on the drink setting. So I could probably go to the eat setting. It might be faster, I'm not sure.
Yeah, you can see that's already got the rolling boil there. And with my Jackery, so I'm running the 1000 plus with the expanded battery pack, and we're still at 98%. We're gonna call that done, because that's too hot. Oh, it turned off. So it automatically turned off already at boiling. So that was about, like it said, about, I think it was advertised 5 minutes. So yeah, call that good.